Welcome to IP Office Techs using the Nortel Northstar M Series or T Series phones on an IP Office with release 9.1 and using them together, both the Avaya and the Nortel. Well, if you just look at basic functionality, like if I were to call extension 252 from the Avaya phone, it doesn't work. It worked before. Okay, I could call from the Nortel to the Avaya. That worked fine. Okay, let's try calling the Nortel phone once again. It's extension 252. It's not lighting up. Let's try our other.
Your call has been answered by Avaya IP
Went to
Office.
voicemail. Let's try 253. That is working. Okay, I didn't change anything in the programming. Let's look in here real quick. Nope, there's something in there. That's working.
Your call has been answered by Avaya IP Office.
Rich Greenwood
Is not available. To leave a message, wait for the tone. When finished recording, press pound.
Let's call it again. Okay, we can see that Kim is calling. We can have it go directly to voicemail, ignore it. However, this is what's been happening all morning. I've been trying to make these work. I thought they would. I thought that now it's released 9.1, Avaya would have allowed it to work a little better. But I've been having trouble. I looked it up online and find out the programming gets lost. The buttons get moved around. And the buttons are supposed to be A, B, and C, Park 1, Page Forward, Do Not Disturb, and they start out at the bottom on this phone. And if we typically do a feature star 0, we can read the buttons. So if we do 253, and then it goes to voicemail. Last number redial, I programmed no last number redial in this system. Conference, I did not program. Do Not Disturb is programmed, but it's the last thing. Ring, this isn't making sense. This has not been programmed. So what I'm getting down to is nobody seems to think that the Nortel phones will work properly in the IP office. The buttons won't be where they're supposed to be. It might not have that functionality. And seeing your voicemail indicator light may be sketchy. In other words, it'll be grief for everybody, it seems. So for that reason, we cannot recommend using them with the IP office. And the only other solution, I think, would be to get either new phones or there are plenty of refurbished phones that work on the IP office. For example, the model 6408 phones can be had for around $50 or less. They are Avaya phones. The 6408 phones do pretty much what we want them to do. We can pretty much dial it, extension 204. It rings, you can pick up, you can put it on park, you can do all the different things that we like to do in the IP office. We can call this phone, 201. That works great. Avaya says they're not supporting these anymore, but we found that they seem to work pretty well and would not recommend the two Nortel phones on the IP office. They just don't quite make it at all and would cause a lot of problems for you, and we like to keep our customers happy. Okay, we'll see you on another session. Thanks. Goodbye.